Welcome to Culinary Adventures, where we explore the flavors of lesser-known regions. In this episode, we travel to Oaxaca, Mexico, to try exotic dishes that will tantalize your taste buds. Our first stop takes us to a traditional Oaxacan restaurant, where we dive into the rich flavors of mole negro, a complex sauce made with chocolate, chili peppers, and spices. Next, we venture into the heart of Oaxaca's culinary scene to sample chapulines, a local delicacy of toasted grasshoppers seasoned with spices. As we continue our culinary exploration, we stumble upon tlayudas, a traditional Oaxacan dish that resembles a large crispy tortilla topped with beans, cheese, and an array of mouth-watering ingredients. No culinary adventure in Oaxaca is complete without trying mezcal, a smoky and earthy agave-based spirit that captures the essence of the region. Our journey concludes with a visit to a traditional Oaxacan bakery, where we indulge in the sweet delights of pan de yema, a fluffy and buttery egg yolk bread.